Boys and girls, if I don't get a chance to say welcome to the show, because we ain't got time for no intro.
One thing I don't like about these, the hooks are set just a hair, the front hook hair too far forward and it tangles a lot.
Well, that's because you need to run a leader. Oh, there we go. Oh, I had a hit. That's what I've heard guys talking about that, which I've always just ran a leader, but just in general on topwater baits for sure. Something you're twitching and jerking and has a chance to catch back up to the line.
Yeah.
That braid's more apt to tangle tied straight on than the leader.
Oh man, missed
that one too?
Yeah.
Oh, right at the boat! Woo! Right at the boat, man. That sucker.
He'd been following it.
Look at that one, boys and girls. Oh, ain't it beautiful? You want to weigh him? It's 2 pounds now. About a half pound. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. If this is the opening, we are on the water, as you can clearly tell.
Got that one.
Topwater fishing. Charles is already on it with a whopper plopper. Show the camera. Otherwise it don't count.
There you go. Mwah!
Oh my gosh, Charles is tearing them up on the white whopper plopper. I'm over here playing around these little pockets that I got in the middle.
They're not bad bass either.
Well, I got white and yellow.
Show it to the camera. Woo!
Look,
Mwah!
Brought you.
Get out of here.
Into that bigger opening. I may switch to a whopper. This just looks too good.
Yeah, it is.
That is a nicer bass.
Yeah.
That's a pound and a half, almost 2 probably. And I'm throwing the wrong bait, it looks like, but I'm gonna stick with this for a minute. I may have to put on the old chest harness to get the action. We're catching a lot of topwater fish. Charles is. I mean, you guys ain't seeing none of the action because the camera's facing straight out the boat. Charles caught that one right over here, boys and girls.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, right over this old money. These bass clearly,
Mwah!
yeah, these bass clearly don't know how tasty a frog is. It's obvious. Oh!
Yeah, that one does.
Jesus criminy! What just happened? Look at my frog!
There's one.
Another one.
That one's a little smaller.
Let's do a little comparison while we're at it here, boys and girls. I'll throw this buzzbait and Charles that whopper plopper, and we'll get a good idea of what they want in this place anyway.
That was a finger. Oh, yeah.
They definitely don't want a frog. So you're on a pretty good topwater bite. Well, Charles is. With the whopper plopper. Most yours are like right out in the middle, aren't they, when they actually hit anyway?
Yeah, I think they're coming. I'm pulling them out and they're
out in the way some covers it there.
well, I don't know. Been kind of getting them both.
Right there. No, right out in the middle. I didn't throw by any cover.
Yeah, but there's
Ain't
so
gonna
much
pull 'em off the
moss
bottom.
here.
Here we go, buzzbait. Get out of there. Nice largemouth on my new favorite buzzbait. Hope I don't lose it.
Yeah, because that thing's
Can't
in.
just run to the local tackle store and buy another one just like that one. There ain't no way.
Oh, one just hit it too. All that moss on it and everything, and one hit it.
There we go. I don't know if you guys saw that hit or not. That bass, look how big that belly is. That thing's pregnant. Probably got a big old something already it's eating. So I'm sure they're done spawning, aren't they?
Maybe,
Anyway,
yeah.
Look at the gut on that one. That thing's got a gut like me. There's a very little half-hearted tap. Here comes the sun, and I say it's all right. Do 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 do. Here comes the bass.
Yep, sure enough, there's one.
Oh, he's like the beetle. That is a good one too. Make sure you focus on that one. You'll stop the footage and save it. But I'm gonna keep fishing because I gotta catch one in the sun. Beetle style. There we go. Look at that beautiful bass. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to go to whopper plopper because Charles is technically fishing from the back of the boat and catching more than me from the front. If you guys have that happen, then probably the guy in the back's got the better bait. You better switch. Come on.
Well,
This part.
I'm trying to give you a chance to at least catch up a little bit. There you go.
I know you are. I'm gonna take advantage of it with this little. Oh, he's beautiful. He's little, but he's so beautiful. Look at that, boys and girls. This is a beautiful bass. Whoa, whoa! Get back out there. Get yourself off. You done? Okay. No, you ain't. Get back out there again. This is like one of those microwave fish. You gotta keep putting him back in until he's done. He still ain't done. Still is not done, but this whopper plopper is working. We're catching bass on our NRX rods on Topwater. Oh my goodness.
You said it was blue?
Blue and white, this thing.
Oh, okay.
It's more, I don't know what they're actually seeing when they
Yeah, because I tried one that was clear and blue like that in the other pit. They didn't seem to like it. They like this yellowish bone kind of color.
Yeah, well that bone color and black are what, anytime you hear anybody asking about their favorite colors for whopper ploppers. I think the trick is to throw these faster moving baits and don't let your line hit the water.
Yeah.
Because when I throw the frog and I let it lay and I'm popping in slow, it's like, oh, right at the boat. I'm talking to Charles. I'm done with that frog. That frog sucks to date. Whoa! That bass grew. Look at that sucker. Grab them like you mean it. Whopper ploppers are on fire this morning. Okay. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tip here that me and Charles are finding out. See all this cottony looking crap? The frog's sucking anyway, but when you're throwing something that you're slowed down with and letting that line sit on top of that water, it like clogged up my reel. So I'm throwing this bait here and actually holding maybe the rod tip up a little higher than I normally would when I'm further out to keep that line completely off the water, keep it from getting all cottoned up. Pro tip. I've caught a piece of popcorn. Comes straight out of the microwave. Because closest I've come to kayak, I did have the inflatable little like round raft looking thing that you set down and you could actually put paddles on your feet if you wanted and all that kind of stuff. Back when I was kind of fly fishing and fishing. And those things literally, I don't know, to me they suck. I mean, a kayak's got to beat because you can go, once you start paddling, like boom, you can. I got a hit right there, stopping and talking. I was motioning with my hands, so I stopped long enough, and guess what? That's what they want. They want a seminar. That is a beautiful little dark bass. Well, he's not done yet. Put him back in with the popcorn. We're going to do good right from here. Fill it. Fill it in bone. Look at that dude. Alright. What was I talking about? Oh. Inflatables, kayaks, and two-man fishing boats.